If you are using restream and you still don't have enough of subscribers or your watch hours is not increasing, this video is for you. What type of content sells on this site? What type of video you have to make for you to go viral? This is the reason why I'm doing this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. If it's your first time here, my name is Temi and you is welcome to Grow with Temi. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my wonderful channel, turn on your notification bell on, and let's go straight into the video. First of all, before you get into this restream of a thing, you have to understand what this site is all about. Secondly, you have to know how to use it well. Thirdly, you have to understand the type of video that is going viral on this site. In case you haven't watched my video on how to use Restream the right way for you to get your 4,000 watch hours and your subscribers, is on my description. Go and check it out. It's going to help you. The second of it is for you to understand what this site is all about. How does it work? This site allows you to connect your YouTube to this site. Then you can get a lot of subscribers and a lot of watch hours. If you are still using Restream and it doesn't have enough of views that you really need for your channel, for your videos, you are doing it wrong. The type of video that sells on Restream is for entertaining purpose. It's for entertainment. You have to create video that is eyes-catching. Now, what type of video you're supposed to make for this Restream of a thing for you to get your 4,000 watch hours completed? Now people love to watch cooking video. They love to watch cooking video. Let me give you an example. This is my main YouTube channel you are seeing right there. These are the videos I use on my Restream for my main channel because my channel is about lifestyle. So I went ahead and I created a video on how to cook 1 or 2 dishes. It can be Nigerian food, it can be your country food, it can be American food, it can be Italian food. Just create an eye-catching video. When you are cutting vegetables, like when you are cutting something, just be creative with it. They are going to watch you. I've said it countless times, even on the video that I did on how to restream right way for you to get your 4,000 watch hours. I've said it countless times, do not use other people's video because it's so easy for you to get copyrights or YouTube strike if you get into using other people's video because of your 4,000 watch hours. I'd advise you to use your own video. Just try to create something, just small thing. You know, you can be cutting vegetables, you can be cutting spinach, you can be cutting some apples, you can be cutting some bananas, you can be cutting some pineapple. You can just do something creative. Just, just arrange it well. These are the things they are going to watch. Make sure you create an eye-catching video because what is working for A might not work for you. Because when other people are trying to take other people's video and they recreate it, they might get thousands or more watch hours. But when you do that, it might not work like that. So you have to search for what you have to create by yourself. Create something for yourself. Create something by yourself. You don't need other people's video. I did not upload any other people's video on my main channel. I have never done that. I don't want to do it. If I don't have my own video, I'm not uploading because I don't want to work so hard and other people now come to be creating what they don't work for. That is not making sense. That is not making sense because YouTube is so stressful for you to go and get copyrighted. It's even good when you have copyright, but when you have YouTube strike, hey, you have to be very careful out there. Don't use other people's video for your channel. Don't use it on your live stream. Don't use it for this stream. Create something eye-catching. Create something that is so good for people to watch, and you're going to get your watch hours completed. I hope you pick 1 or 2 things in today's video, and I hope I answered what you are looking for. And see you on my next video. Bye.